What's up guys, welcome to Crypto Infinity YouTube channel. Today we are checking out Unity or Unity Construction, one interesting crypto project which is the DAO organization helping new projects reach new heights. If you're a holder, you will have your word heard in the decision making of this project. They have strong DAO that is one of the core pillars of the project. Their presale is now active. You have access to their tokens for the first time for the lowest price. If you want to learn more about it and possibilities that Unity is hiding, definitely stay tuned till the end of this video. They are here to transform the ideas into a reality with blockchain, revolutionizing with Unity DAO, which says is a decentralized organization that supports innovative projects with structured team and financial resources. Smart contract platform here, ticker of the project is Unity, this decimal is 80. What is Unity and what Unity DAO means exactly. DAO is a decentralized anonymous organization where people who are holders of one token have voting rights. More holders, more voting rights. Overall, it is a really great way to implement community into decision-making project and create one stable and interested community that will think about your project, help it out, make some changes, and overall be invested in the project. So, blockchain-based decentralized anonymous organization that provides support to projects in early stages or under development. So, their DAO has purpose to decide on different projects on what will happen with those projects. Will they support it or not? It will pass the community vote that is recorded on the blockchain. Central governance with root token are one of the features. Support for projects with real impact, free team and structure for partners, open voting for all the investors. How does DAO works? You purchase token, community proposal. For example, any member can suggest the idea and implement it to the evolution of the DAO. Voting consensus, it will be recorded on the blockchain. Execution via smart contract. Advantages of the Unity DAO is no hierarchy, community-driven decisions, total transparency because it is happening all on blockchain. Global and democratic access and earning from transactions of funded projects. So also utility that is helping the projects is giving benefits to Unity. Immutable rules, only investors can propose changes, so you need to be invested, you need to be a real part of this project to be part of decision making. Roadmap, as we can see, 1, 2 and 3rd phase, and you can check their Telegram group on almost every part of this project. You can see their Telegram group is one important part of their community. If you're interested, check it out, link is also in the description of this video. And first phase, we have website, socials, fair launch on Presale, KYC audit and CFA certified. They have it done, KYC, they have done auditing of their smart contract, they have passed it with high score. After that, they will have their token listed on PancakeSwap. We will have short and fast listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, where they will be available for checking and for tracking analysis. 1,000 holders planned in the second phase. Market cap page, voting mechanism. Third phase, 5,000 holders tokens for first partners and Tier 1 CX listing. So, in third phase and at around 5,000 holders, we will have first token partners, first support will be given. Don't miss out on this evolution. It is called Unity Construction, Unity on blockchain, Unity that has active presale on Presale. Audited, KYC, 5th on trending. 3 massive things right away. Presale is ending in 1 day and 2 hours, so hurry up when this video goes live. There will be even less time. It is now active, it is on Binance Smart Chain, so you need BNBs to be able to buy these tokens, connect your wallet, MetaMask, any option that is supporting BNB blockchain. We can see from the tokenomics that for the presale they have left 260 million of their tokens. And just let me see their tokenomics. Overall, that is 53% of their tokenomics. We can see over here for liquidity is left half of it. Initial market cap is estimated at 8 million. Presale started on 1st of May at 13 o'clock UTC, lasting until the 4th of May, 13 o'clock UTC. That is until you have to grab the tokens. Lowest price, first opportunity, first entry. Bank swap listing after that. Contributors are put over here, 90 of them. They're really pushing the strong, creating great value to the project and filling up this Presale, so hurry up because the tokens will fly out. As we know, social medias are a messy part of Unity because DAO is all about community. Telegram group is a place where you can check it out. And next profile, 101 followers. I was 101st. I'll be here, I will be part of this community. I will try to implement my ideas, which I think have some value in it. Unity is really creating something special. Great community, great project, great utility, and much more. You can read their white paper, you can check their smart contract audits that are done, and it is done by Cyberscope, also on Presale. You can see it. Overall, massive things. The project is really doing great job. And of course, guys, as you know it, crypto is a risky team, so if you want to invest and think about investing, definitely first do your own research about the project, about crypto investing, because investing in crypto has its risks. This video itself is not financial advice, it is education, review of the project where I'm sharing my honest opinion on the utility on the project and what you can get. Finishing with the video here, guys, check the links that I left in the description. It is Unity, the social media, the Presale link, everything is there. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And one thing that I always love to say at the end of every single video, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.